I'm Regina Russo, the Director of Marketing and Communications here at the Cincinnati Art Museum, and I'd love to wish happy holidays to the listeners of 12:30 a.m., The Buzz of Cincinnati.
Hi, I'm Mayor Mark Mallory, and on behalf of the entire city of Cincinnati, I'd like to wish the listeners of The Buzz 12:30 a.m. happy holidays.
Hi, I'm Gwen Robinson of the Community Action Agency, and on behalf of the employees, we wish all of the Radio 1 listeners a wonderful and blissful holiday season.
President Smitherman, the Executive Committee, and the entire Cincinnati NAACP membership wishes you a happy holiday.
Hi, it's one of my favorite times of the year. I'm WLWT Power of 5 Chief Meteorologist Kevin Robinson. I want to wish all the listeners of Radio 1 a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas, and of course a prosperous New Year.
Hi, this is Marvin Lewis, the Cincinnati Bengals. I want to wish the Radio 1 listeners a very happy holiday season.